Are you looking for the best pancake and waffle mixes in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best pancake and waffle mixes that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To see the more information about these products, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Simple Mills Almond Flour Mix. Some people love whole grain waffle mixes while others prefer grain-free mixes. The Simple Mills Almond Flour Mix is the ideal choice for those who love their waffles grain-free. The Simple Mills mix contains a wide range of healthy ingredients, including coconut flour, almond flour, arrowroot powder, tartar cream, sea salt and coconut sugar for added nutritional value. Moreover, this waffle mix is one of the healthiest options you'll ever find, given that it is also gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free and corn-free. Besides, this almond flour mix is extremely versatile. You can use the mix for different breakfast delicacies, including pancakes, muffins, cookies and other baked products. Then again, the mix is paleo-friendly, making it ideal for those who are on diet. As with other waffle mixes reviewed above, this mix is very easy to make. You just need to add oil and water to make your favorite waffles. You can also add milk and eggs to increase your protein intake. Each box contains 10.7 ounces, which is enough to make more than 10 delicious waffles at a time. Isn't that what you want? Moving on, at number 4, we have the Birch Benders Pancake and Waffle Mix. If you are on a ketogenic diet, you may not have the luxury of eating whatever food you want. Your diet should essentially consist of high-fat and low-carb foods. Unfortunately, waffles and pancakes do not fall under this category of foods. The good news is that this Birch Bender Pancake and Waffle Mix allows you to enjoy your waffles even when you are on a keto diet. This mix is designed specifically for keto dieters, as it consists of low carbs and high protein. Besides, it is grain-free and gluten-free, making it the perfect choice for ketogenic dieting. What is even more interesting is that the mix comes complete, you just need to add water to make your favorite waffles. Moreover, each bag of this mix can make up to 26 waffles or even more, depending on the size. If you want to make a few waffles at a time, you only need to scoop the amount of mix you want and seal the bag. Apparently, the bag comes with a resealable closure that keeps the mix fresh until the next use. Even though this mix is sugar-free, it still produces highly delicious waffles. The mix contains almonds, coconut flour, tiger nut flour, leavening, cassava flour, eggs and buttermilk. You can also add your own toppings such as fruit and berries if you like to enrich the flavor of your waffles. At number 3, we have the Aunt Jemima Pancake and Waffle Mix. Aunt Jemima is a familiar name when it comes to making savory pancakes and waffles. Whether you want to serve your guests with huge Belgian waffles or make French waffles for your family, the Aunt Jemima Waffle Mix will always live up to its billing. As you probably know, the process of making waffles can turn out to be messy and disastrous if you don't know the right ingredients to add. This easy-to-use mix comes complete. It contains all the ingredients you need to produce great-tasting waffles. You just need to add water and a little oil to create fluffy and yummy waffles. Moreover, you can make as much or as little waffles as you please without worrying about running out of ingredients. One large box of this versatile waffle mix can make up to 50 servings, with each serving of waffles rich in calcium and iron. Another good thing is that this waffle mix allows you to personalize your waffles with diced fruits and berries. You can also add chocolate chips and nuts to make your waffles sweeter. At number 2, we have the Krusteaz Professional Belgian Waffle Mix. We can't deny it. No waffles taste better than Belgian waffles. After all, this dough and batter snack traces its root to Belgium and France, where it supposedly all began. It's therefore not surprising that the Krusteaz Belgian Waffle Mix is our top overall pick. The mix consists of all the ingredients you need to make delicious Belgian waffles at home. Eggs and oil are already part of the mixture, and this means you only need to measure the amount of mix you need and add water. Well, this waffle mix produces waffles that are light, crispy and fluffy, just the way you love them. Besides, the package comes with recipe instructions on the side panel, which you can use to make scrumptious waffles for the entire family. Moreover, it does not contain any trans fats, making it one of the healthiest waffle mixes you can get in the market right now. If you need more flavor, you can add some eggs and oil if you like. You can also add toppings such as fruit, for extra flavor and sweetness. And finally at number 1. We have the Stonewall Kitchen Farmhouse Pancake and Waffle. Stonewall Kitchen considers this mix one of its best sellers. It's available in 5.3 ounces, 16 ounces, or 33 ounces. This mix is one of the more expensive, and the brand is usually found in high-end and specialty grocers, but it's also available online. Stonewall Kitchen is known for its collection of curated jams, jellies, syrups, and sauces, many of which would complement a piping hot stack of pancakes. This mix requires the addition of egg, milk or buttermilk, and melted butter. The additional ingredients add to the overall cost, but deliver on fresh, homemade flavor. Reviewers claim this mix makes the best pancakes they've ever had, with a crisp, golden exterior and fluffy interior with a hint of butter and vanilla. This mix is lower in sugar than other competitors, containing just 1 gram of sugar per serving. The higher cost may make these more of a special weekend treat or holiday brunch than an everyday breakfast staple. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.